Right into this world, all alone.
What the fuck? What is this bullshit? Nobody's seeing this. It happened in the Telemoro lot. What the fuck?
You're a burly brother? Yeah.
Huh? They let him go? Just like that?
Clay's and Jen Pop, I guess he's made some kind of deal. August needs to talk to you about it. First thing this morning, Power Tower.
Yeah. Anything else?
No.
Oh, come on, there's gotta be something.
Am I good with you, Jax?
Yeah. Yeah. It's all good, brother. All right.
Is it really? At this point, it's impossible to say what's what. Who's thinking or feeling what the truth is.
Right now, we'd just like you to come down and answer a few questions.
For now.
Hey, I'll call Gemma.
No, you won't.
He's in safe hands. Even if he has to go to jail. Clay's there to look out for him.
I don't think they're open just yet.
That's okay. I like to watch.
Teddy probably thought, what a creep.
Let's just say it wasn't Traeger's time.
A loyalty test, maybe.
It was, you passed.
So he doesn't really want to? Doesn't really want to kill him? To make things right?
Running guns doesn't sound much like a Pope Industries venture.
But it sounds like something Marks Incorporated might handle. You hook me up with the Irish gun distribution, I'll consider Traeger's debt paid.
So he's not off the hook that easy, huh?
Wayne!
The new prospect? It's about time Chucky gets a cut.
Oh my God, Wayne! Oh my God! Wayne, here. Come on.
Wait. Is that a swastika? Is the leak back? Or rather... What was his name? The dude who went off to Hungary. Zobel. That was his name.
Charter voted down the gun deal. It's too much heat right now. That's a big problem for us. I get that.
For you.
Sorry. I pushed for it. Table said no.
Did you even tell the table? Or is that just your decision? You can't really trust anyone at this point.
Look, I'm treating him privately. By privately, I mean illegally. It would be better to have somebody bring him by not wearing a cut.
Chucky.
I get Chucky.
Yeah. Okay.
Just not sure there's enough room on his little scooter.
What if I had Abel or the baby when these assholes showed?
I mean, these aren't crazy hypotheticals I'm spinning here. There's kids in the mix.
My kids. My grandchildren.
You're making decisions, big decisions, without bringing them here. That's not how this works.
How this works. Look at this goddamn charter, Chips.
Yeah, it's a mess.
We've dwindled to 6 guys, while Rico and this psycho marshal circles us.
One of the guys is a former Red. One of the guys doesn't seem to mean much to you. You were willing to kill him, or let him be killed. By August.
If that means stepping outside the lines or making a couple calls on the fly, then that is exactly what I am gonna do.
Wow. You know how you sound like? The guy who used to sit in that seat.
Your little speeches don't work with Chips. Also good luck intimidating him.
Get Mara to sign that affidavit.
He's a little reluctant to sign your version.
You told me you had him agreeable.
What I told you was that you gotta turn a guy like Clay a notch at a time. Your commitment spooked him.
Oh, damn it, this guy is telling you nothing but lies. And the weird thing is, he doesn't even have to prove anything. She's just buying it.
Toy, yeah.
And why was he in Diosa?
He roughed up a couple of my homeboys, asking questions about me and my crew.
He's not working on this investigation.
Maybe somebody should tell him that.
He's running his own investigation, Teddy, behind your back.
I don't know if it's the hand or having gotten arrested. I know she's been through some awful shit, but she scares me. She's completely disconnected. And she's so hell-bent on getting these boys out of Charming that she's not even thinking about how bad it could hurt them.
Now she's trying to turn her against Tara?
Nero didn't want me saying anything.
About what?
So you're doing it anyway.
Married? Doing the Jesus thing. I can't help you.
Come on, Darby. You don't just marry the help and turn in your brown shirt. What's she so afraid of?
Maybe half a dozen bikers standing in her yard?
You and Rat. Tell me your father and son. They love that shit. What, really? Really? Me? Come on.
Come on, Dad. We can do this.
Oh, man used to rape me. Just saying. Okay.
Now it all makes sense.
Was he joking about that? Or is otherwise... That would be weird, that he just drops that. Just like that. It's a bit private. Isn't it?
If it looks dicey, you get the hell out. Got it. Go with them. Watch their back.
No, nothing can go wrong. If you send Jews? The shooting range. With Mexican and black mannequins.
Who are you? My name's Al Whiteman. This is my boy, George.
Al Whiteman.
I'm blowing shit out!
Ooh.
Son of a bitch.
A little excited right now.
Yeah, so put down the gun.
That was easy.
Thanks. Yeah. Sorry about
Wait,
that,
they
buddy.
even let them take him? Oh no, there he goes. So this pretty much accomplished nothing. Nothing but making a new enemy.
San Bernardino voted down the guns.
That's unfortunate. The Kings are all set in the idea of doubling their business here.
Happy is ready to fight.
We're done with this game. I will let you know if and when we need more guns. Until then, hands off my club.
Aye. Hands off.
Hands off, but not bullets off. I mean, you can't really expect him to go along with that.
Hey, what kind of bullshit is this?
That's right.
Oh.
He has been with me every night. This one's not a killer.
Tell that to his cousin.
Does he look like a guy that knows that his truck was covered in incriminating evidence?
You're asking this guy? Isn't he an idiot?
This wasn't a vehicle that was cleaned up. This was evidence that was meant to be found.
What do you mean?
Call Moore's office and tell him that I need the file of a retired Marshal Lee Torek. Everything that he's got.
Nice job, Teddy.
We both know it's just a matter of time before Black, and now White, slits your throat.
So what? He doesn't care, obviously. Otherwise he wouldn't be here in the first place.
The Irish showed up at Oswald's with the guns.
Shit.
Jack says he's on his way.
Oh, curly hair.
Get the saw.
Well, now you're dead, Galen. Episode 13. See you there.
We're gonna finish our Nazi hunt.
I think this club needs a breather.
We got 2 crates filled with hacked up members. What this club needs is to settle a score.
Shouldn't you settle the score with the Irish? Not with the Nazis?
Sorry.
For kissing his wife for multiple seasons? About time you apologize. Oh. Isn't that nice of him? Also, it's his own protection he just gave up. His only protection.
You really think seeing how you destroyed one of my brothers is gonna scare me?
Otto made sure his RICO testimony was useless. That doesn't mean he can't give state's evidence in other cases.
He's got that covered.
And you would be willing to testify about the violence?
Yes.
Now you're sitting here with Tara? Earlier you talked shit about her.
Talk to Gemma?
Yeah, told her everything you wanted me to.
Okay, never mind.
Sorry. I heard the baby. I thought it was just you and your doc.
You've seen too much, old man. Oh, he's gotta go.
I didn't know you were coming by.
Yeah, she's my ride.
I was gonna see if you wanted me to watch the boys. Is Abel in here?
No, he's down at daycare.
Yeah, I was just about to go get him.
Nice, Wayne. Nice.
Thank you, Wayne.
Yeah. I'll just wait out here till you're done.
So what was the purpose of Wendy telling Gemma all those things about Tara?
At some point, I'm gonna ask a few questions.
I know.
Maybe don't wait too long. So much for the Nazi threat. Unless there are more of them somewhere.
Can I have a minute with him, please?
Otto, why haven't you killed yourself yet? I hope you're not trying to go after Mr. Marshall here. That probably wouldn't end well.
Give me something I can use against him. And I will make the time you have left here very comfortable.
Even though he's the killer of your sister, who are you trying to kid here?
It's okay.
Dude, why does he need both hands for this? Really stupid move. You turning your back on him? Are you hoping he attacks you?
That's real good.
Turning your back on him again. Whoa.
Get out! Get out! I didn't even see that coming.
The fuck? First of all, he behaved like a complete retard. Even though he's supposed to be a ex-marshal. What the fuck was that? Untying both his hands, turning his back on him multiple times. Also, did he kill him now? Why wouldn't he? If he hasn't. He's still not dead. What the fuck? Holy shit. I can't believe they would end this storyline like this. So now what? Now it's all about Galen? Oh, and the Tara, Wendy, Gemma storyline. I thought she would collect his badge. So will she continue to investigate now? What the hell? This is almost like a reset button this episode. They made Galen the new threat? and just killed off the old one feels a bit premature actually. The Marshall storyline could have went some more places before ending its run.